And so I am so thankful for this gadget that enables me to fix my meals in seconds, literally. Not seconds, like in fraction of minutes. And that is what I'm going to start over here. Then we jump right into the video for today. You are most welcome. So welcome to today's video, and we are making mukimo. It's one of the videos that I've wanted to do for a while, but today is the best day to do it, and it's the best day for you to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, watch it to the end, learn a thing or two, and I will appreciate you for being here. Thank you so much. So I just started by showing you how I put my potatoes in the instant pressure cooker, my electric pressure cooker, which will keep on going. And then with me, I have a lot of boiled maize, which I will measure out for what we need. It's also boiled from the pressure cooker, and then I'll be adding something else. So I begin by preparing the ingredients we need, and then we bring together this dish. Basically, mukimo, or what we call kienyeji, is a combination of the flavors we are going to layer up. But first and foremost, I need these onions to begin cooking. I've used 2 large onions, which I have cut out. By the way, I have an unboxing video for that gadget you've seen me using there, which I will show you after this video. Subscribe and keep your notification bells on. And so in about 15 minutes, give it 20 minutes, my potatoes were well done. As you can see, they are very well mashed up, and I added 2 cups of the boiled maize. This maize is so soft, it's very nice and tasty, boiled in salt, and it's already well cooked. And you can see the potatoes are already blended, already mashed up while I was cooking, which also gives me a head start to making my mukimo. And by the time I begin mashing, all this is just going to take less than 5 minutes, guys. But before that, we need to add green vegetables to this meal, and I had blanched my vegetables over the weekend when I came from the market so that they don't spoil. And this is what we call kahurura. It's not pumpkin leaves. I don't know the name for kahurura, but I'll check it up and put it somewhere. I heated them up a bit so that they can be warm as they blend, and this worked so well because they were able to just loosen up, because after I blanched them, I put them in the fridge. That they stayed on Saturday, and this was on a Monday when I needed to use them. So I knew when I keep them like that, they will go bad, and I didn't have time to work on them. So here they are. I just need to blend them up and get this puree, which we are going to use. And as you get out the puree, make sure that the excessive water does not is not put into the mukimo, because it will make it very watery. So what you can do, and what I did here, is you can take a sieve and pour out from the blender, pour it out into a sieve, so that you're just left with the most green substance, which is the green leaves we need. This can actually be either spinach, it can be pumpkin leaves, or this what we call kahurura in Nairobi, Kenya, in my country. So I added salt. Salt is very important for taste, and I need them to be well mixed and well salted even before I put the veggies. So here they are, and you can see I've sieved out. So I'm going to add in bits so that I don't over green them. Apparently my children, you can see one of them is here, they don't like the green mukimo. If you give them that, they sort of like think it's too much for them. I don't know what they don't like in it, so I try to accommodate them in that. And so I'll add a bit, little by little, until I achieve that just pale green, but then the veggies will also be tasting. Let me tell you guys, this meal is so amazing that you can take it with breakfast, you can take it for lunch, and there goes a second scoop. And yeah, so basically I used like one and a half full of that sieve, and that is what was enough, well drained, because my potatoes were a bit wet. And also another tip you need to keep in mind is when you are mashing, don't mash your potatoes when they are too hard. The reason is, if you leave them like that, okay, let me explain this first. So we need to add the caramelized onions, and that's why I like the white onion, because they just give this the perfect flavor, the perfect taste that you need to have. White onions have a plus when it comes to the flavor, as opposed to the red onions or the purple onions we know of. So I had to mix up. And before this, I was saying that don't make your mukimo too hard. Yeah, at this point of mashing it together and mixing everything, make sure it feels like what mine is feeling now. Yeah, because if potatoes tend to dry up once they cool down, and they become hard, and they will start falling apart if yours was too dry, or it did not stick together. It should be like sticky, but then it's not sticky. You get what I'm saying? I hope so. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video. You can also support this video. And this is a final outcome of our mukimo. So delicious. I served mine with cabbage and some mincemeat stew, and let me tell you, they were delicious. The combination just missed an avocado, which I will look for in my next meal. And this is just amazing. Thank you for being here. God bless you. Watch out for an unboxing video where I'll be unboxing the chef extra Tupperware stuff.